this lesson, I want to show you 3 chords that I think are absolutely wonderful for new beginner players. The reason why is they only use 2 fingers, the middle and the ring. And what's even a nice added bonus is your middle finger doesn't have to move in order for you to make the 3 chords. It will always stay on one fret. All the movement will be done with your ring finger. So the first chord that we'll see is called the E minor. So if you look here, if you want to see it on paper, this is your E minor, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. And this is what it sounds like. So you put your ring finger on the A string, 2nd fret, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. Once you got used to this shape, you can hit each chord individually to make sure it sounds clear. Alright, now the second chord I'm going to show you is the Asus2, which is, you don't play the top string, so no low E. And we start at the A string with a 0, then 2nd fret. See how it sounds. Now if you look here, my middle finger is on the D string, 2nd fret, and all I need to do to switch between the Asus2 chord and the E minor is I bring my ring finger to the 2nd fret on the A string. Now I have a E minor. I bring it to the 2nd fret on the G string. Now I have my Asus2. So you'd want to practice that switch. E, A, E, A. Do it very slow and make sure you have a clear sound. And once you're used to that, we can add our 3rd chord, which is the, right here, Cmaj7. So your finger goes on the A string on 3rd fret, 2nd, and then all open. So once again, your middle finger is still on that 2nd fret on the D string. Your ring finger will go on the 3rd fret on the A string. Now you repeat the same exercise. You would want to switch between the C and the A. And then once you feel comfortable with that, you can switch between the C and the E. So C, E, C. And remember, you don't want to hit the bottom E string when you're playing your C chord. And then once you're comfortable, you can go around to all 3. C, A, E, E, A, C. Now you can just practice that. And once you got your shapes figured out and your middle ring finger is used to moving around a little bit, we can add a strumming pattern. So let's start with a bar with 4 beats. So that means we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, then switch chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch chord. We're only going to hit it once and let it ring for 4 beats. Let's go E, A, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you got that down. We can add more hit more strings to. So let's do 4. Let's hit for each beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can also leave a beat. So let's just strum on the first and third beat and leave it open on the second and fourth. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and we can also do down ups. So down up would be down, then you hit from the bottom up. So you go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And the way we would count that would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's give it a shot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. And you can just practice with the chords. Try different combinations. Let's say we'll do 2 counts on E, 1 count on A, then back to E for 1 count, then 1 count on C, and 1 count on A. E and 2 and 3 and 4 and A and 2 and E and 2 and 3 and 4 and E and 2 and 3 and 4 and A and 2 and 3 and 4 and E and 2 and 3 and 4 and C 2, 3, 4, A 2, 3, 4, E and 2 and 3 and 4 and E and 2 and 3 and 4 and A 1, 2, 3, 4, C 2, 3, 4, E. Well, I hope this helps, man. And next time we'll do like the same chords, but I will show you some finger picking. Alright? See ya.